Okay, this is how you check your time on the internet if you're a Dragon token holder, DRGN, on CoinMarketCap. So first thing you have to do is go to your personal wallet, wherever that would be, okay? Once you get your personal wallet, you need to copy the address of your personal wallet. Open up the internet, go to dragonchain.com, click on the 3 lines in the upper right-hand corner in red, click on the community tab. Now, scroll your screen, because it'll start right here. Scroll your screen till you get to the section that says time. Click on view leaderboard. Okay, scroll down some more. In that first gray box, it says search by address. Click on it one more time, and paste your address. Click the search button. So if you scroll down, see how all of them are light gray. All the secondary numbers, not the number. And there we go. We have a darkened gray one. Okay? That, where it is all bold, would be your rank in the time mechanism from Dragon Chain. That's how you check your time.